Hey everyone, welcome back to the PL300 tutorial series. Today we're unlocking one of Power BI's most insightful features, Query Diagnostics. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Query Diagnostics is, how to use it inside Power BI Desktop, and how it can help you track down those pesky performance issues in your reports. Whether you're tuning a slow dashboard or just curious about how Power Query works behind the scenes, you'll walk away with practical tools to boost your efficiency. So let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is Query Diagnostics? In simple terms, this feature lets you peek under the hood of your queries in Power Query. Imagine you're maintaining a car. You want to know which part is causing strange noises or slowdowns, right? Query Diagnostics operates much the same way, giving you detailed insight into how your data queries are executed, step by step. This means you can see exactly what's happening at each stage, spot slow points in your data transformations, and figure out if delays are coming from your data source or from Power BI's own processing engine. Now, how do you actually use Query Diagnostics in Power BI Desktop? First, open up Power Query Editor just like you do for any other data prep work. Go to the Home tab and look for the Tools group. Here, where the magic happens, you'll notice two options, Diagnose Step and Start Diagnostics. Here, what each one does, Start Diagnostics is like running a full checkup on your query. It executes the entire query from start to finish, quietly tracking every detail about how much time each step takes, what resources are used, and where any slowdowns occur. This is super useful when you want to see the big picture or if you're not quite sure which step might be causing trouble. On the other hand, Diagnose Step is more targeted. It focuses only on the step you've currently selected. This comes in handy when you suspect a specific operation, maybe a merge, a filter, or a sort is bogging things down. By isolating just that part, you can zero in on where time is being spent. Once you start diagnostics, Power BI does a bit of processing. Don't worry if it seems to take a few moments, especially on larger datasets. After it completes, you'll notice that two new tables appear in your Power Query workspace. The first is the Diagnostics table. Think of this as the detailed log. It shows granular info like which category each step falls into, how long it took, and what data sources were involved. The second table is Aggregated Diagnostics. This one rolls everything up into tidy summaries, letting you quickly compare, for instance, how much time was spent querying your SQL Server versus time spent crunching data in the Power Query engine itself. Both tables act like any other query. You can filter, sort, or create visuals based on these details. Use them to identify particularly expensive transformations. Maybe you'll discover that a group by step is eating up most of your processing time, or that your data source is taking longer to respond than you'd realized. You can also get insights into query folding, whether complicated steps are being sent to the data source for processing or handled locally by Power BI, which can make a huge difference in refresh times. All in all, Query Diagnostics can be a game changer when it comes to optimizing your Power BI reports. It empowers you to troubleshoot, fine-tune, and ultimately deliver much faster dashboards to your users. That's it for this episode. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know your questions in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical PL300 tips and Power BI walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.